Has Apple lost its ability to innovate? It would seem so, ever since the departure of Johnny Ives. The iPhone has a brilliant camera, and some would say the best. But who would produce a smartphone with the best camera that could not film 16 by 9 upright? One can only film 16 by 9 sideways, but the most comfortable way to hold a phone is upright. So, why not include a simple software switch to allow 16 by 9 filming upright instead of spawning a generation who has rejected Hollywood's widescreen marketing for years? The answer is simple. With success, Apple wants nothing to do with their consumer base, their clients. Like all large, successful corporations, they hate the customers and build not only a wall to keep out the clients, but a call center between them and clients. So they do not have to deal with us. With this, innovation falls by the wayside, allowing competitors to take over like new companies who reward customers for contributing. What a radical idea!